The 5th grade student unit of inquiry is the Sharing the Planet unit, and they're focusing on Florida ecosystems and looking at kind of how ecosystems are interconnected, how we're interconnected with our surroundings. This activity focuses on a couple things. First and foremost, it gets them outside, which I think is extremely valuable. It's good for them, but also shows and reinforces that learning happens outside of the classroom as well, and also gives them a chance to take a close look at their surroundings and look at life that is right outside their door. With this activity, we're looking at biodiversity and the idea of range of tolerance. And so what we're doing is we're going out and we're collecting macroinvertebrate samples from the pond, and then identifying them, and then classifying them based on their range of tolerance for water quality. This is a way that students can work like a scientist and think like a scientist. So we've been doing this activity for 6 years, since I started at St. Andrews. The kids love it. They love to get out there, love to get their hands dirty. There's just a lot of science skills that they're putting to use and developing. I think a good example is, when we first start and I scoop out some of the algae and off the muck of the bottom of the pond, and I put it in their buckets for them to start to look for. A lot of times the students will say, well, I don't have anything. When really they do, they just have to look closer. And so that's, I think, a real valuable lesson that, it's a good science skill. The closer you look, the more you're going to notice and observe. So I think they come a long way with just something as simple as that in this one activity.